Good afternoon, everyone. This is the 12 Days of Christmas, and we are on day 3. Today, Zoe and I are going to be making some pooper boxes, and she's going to be giving 26 of them out to her friends at school. So we're going to show you how to do that. It's quick and easy and fun. All right, so with that, let's go down the hand. So we're going to show you how to make this pooper box. Looky here. It's not what you thought. Right? Okay, so all we're going to do, we're going to make this one today. They're all very cute, and we do have the information, measurements, and everything needs to make up on our group page. So if you want to check it out, come check out our group page. We're going to first start off with an acrylic box, and these come flat like this, and the important thing is when you open them up, we're going to make sure everything creases over and flexes. So we're going to tuck it in. We're not going to tuck it in yet. I just like to get it all loosened up to be able to tuck and move and form our box. Okay? And the reason is because first we're going to go ahead and start putting our artwork on here, and then you'll get to see what the poop is that we're going to put inside for your schoolmate friends, right? So for us, first thing we'll do is we've actually cut out already. You got yours? Alright, so we're just going to cut this out. We're going to use some tape here, and you'll need to get your tape also. Let me grab her some tape. All we're using is some just regular runner tape here, and I don't know if you need that or not, but we're working together here because there's 26 of these that she wants to make. So, like I said, they're cute. This is just a 3x3 cardstock paper. Because we have gingerbread matching paper as well too that goes very nice with this, and that's where we're going to be getting some stuff from as well too. Then all we have to do is put it right here on the acetate box. Just like that's a plastic acetate box. Stampin' Up makes some nice cute little boxes that you can use. Alright, from here we have our cutout. This is just a border cut set here. And we're going to use the tape here as well. And we're just going to run across here. Well, if I can get mine going. Apparently I'm not standing right. I'm doing it gentle enough or something. And that's okay. Patience is a virtue, right? You just did yours right. You can show me how to do mine right? Oh, you know what it is? Exactly. I'm out of tape is what it is. Well, that'll never work. Let me borrow yours then. Okay. You can't put tape on it if there's no tape left, right? So we'll share because it looks like you get plenty. I didn't realize I ran out. Alright, I'm gonna put mine right about here. You can center wherever you want. I already know I'm gonna put 2 as little circles here. So actually this just came out of the gingerbread paper, and I cut it. It's got a die cut to cut out these cute, nice round shaped circles ready to go. Then all I have to do is put some of this on the back here. Just a minute, I won't mess up yours. I just need to put a little bit on back. And put one here. I'm going to put a little bit down because don't forget I'm going to put a bow as well, right? We can put bows. Got some nice pretty red bows. You already done? Did you already stick her down with the tape as well too? No, it won't stick if you don't have tape. So I'm just going to put some tape. I'm just using a silicone mat here. So I was sharing with her over here. And I'll put my second one there down. And then all that's left for me to do is take my ribbon, which I'm going to put on with a glue dot. So with us doing this right here on our 4th day of Christmas, did I say that right? I think it's our 3rd day of Christmas. And Jennifer's going to straighten me out. Okay. It's our 3rd day of Christmas. Alright, see, I'm anxious for Christmas. As Sophia said earlier, we're 1 day closer to Christmas. Alright, so there we do. We have the box fixed. We just have to fold it up. Oh, Zoe's already got hers taped together. You can show them yours taped together. Alright, so all we have to do now is we have our cute little box, and we just have to fill it up with some poop. Yes, so I'm just gonna fill it up with this round poop here. I'm not sure what Zoe, are you gonna use the other one? Or you could actually use a mixture if you wanted to. So looky there. It looks like literal round poop. And I'm just gonna stick some of these in here. And she's got some bigger poop for hers. You can use anything. Since she's gonna bring it to school and give it to her friends, I wanted to make sure that all the candy was wrapped. This would be perfect to put M&M's, Skittles,
We'll have to buy more.
different ones. Yeah, we'll have to buy some more. But the thing is that there you go. We have a poop box that is filled with candy. There you go. So, there it says. And the last thing we had to put on here is our labels. I had said there, again, this is all on our, you can find all this on our group page. That's where we have all the directions and, yep, the words for the poem. Says, I heard you've been naughty, so here's a scoop. All you get is ginger man poop. And I actually just took it and I printed it out on sticker paper. And I used a circle punch there to punch it out. Or you can use a die cut circle, that doesn't matter. And then you just put that on back. Voila. Now,
You can get the sticker paper at Walmart.
you can get the sticker paper at different places. But anyway, there you go. There you go. There you go. So there we have our 2 boxes. She filled hers with the right here. So we have 2 down and 24 to go. So with that, see if we can get us back up here for you. That ends our 3rd day of Christmas. So look forward to tomorrow to where we can bring to you for the 4th day of Christmas. But our goal is that you have 12 straight days of making easy gifts that you can make and give away to friends, family, stocking stuffers, or whatever you want to do. All right, see you tomorrow. Bye.